You wake up at night, again and again. 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. You cannot sleep. Your body is getting old very fast. Every time you wake up, your brain gets hurt. Your body gets weaker. But I know how to fix this. One small thing, very simple. You will sleep 8 hours straight. No more waking up. Let me show you how. Hello everyone. I work with Holistic Channel. Many people wake up 5, 6, 10 times every night. They feel tired always. Their brain is foggy. They get sick a lot. They feel old and tired. Why? Because when you sleep broken sleep, when you wake up many times, your body does not repair itself. When you sleep deep sleep, real sleep with no waking, something amazing happens. Your brain cleans itself. Your body fixes damage. Your memory works good. Your energy comes back. But when you wake up at 2 a.m., everything stops. Your brain cannot clean itself. Your body cannot repair. You wake up tired and sick. This happens again and again, night after night. Today I show you the science. I show you why this happens, and I show you the fix. Very simple, very easy. This works. Let's go. What happens when you don't sleep? When your sleep is broken, bad things happen in your body. First, your brain does not clean itself. In deep sleep, your brain has a cleaning system. It is called the glymphatic system. It removes bad proteins and waste from your brain, but only in deep sleep. If you wake up many times, this cleaning does not happen. Bad stuff stays in your brain. This causes memory problems, brain fog. Later, it causes disease. Second, your body does not repair cells. When you sleep deep, your body eats old, broken cells and makes new ones. This is autophagy, but only in deep sleep. If you wake up, this stops. Your body gets old faster. Third, your immune system breaks. Your body makes new immune cells only when you sleep deep. If you wake up many times, no new immune cells. You get sick very often. Colds, flu, infections. Your body cannot fight disease. Fourth, your memory does not work. Your brain files away memories in deep sleep and REM sleep. If you wake up, memories do not get saved. You forget things. You feel confused. Fifth, your hormones break. Your hormones control hunger, energy, mood, healing. But they only balance when you sleep deep. If you wake up, hormones go crazy. You feel depressed. You eat too much. You have no energy. All this happens because you wake up many times. Your sleep is broken. Your body is not repairing. You get older and weaker and sicker, but this is fixable. Very easy. In 3-4 weeks, you can sleep 8 hours straight again. Why you wake up? So why do you wake up? What is the real reason? Your nervous system is too active. Always on, always alert, like a fire alarm in your body that never stops. Your amygdala, the fear part of your brain, is always turned on. It sends wake-up signals all night. Your body thinks there is danger, so it wakes you up to check if you are safe. But there is no danger. You are in bed. You are safe. But your brain does not know this. Your nervous system is broken. Why? Reason 1. Stress and worry. Your job is stressful. Your life has problems. This stress stays in your body. Your nervous system never turns off. You carry this stress to bed. You cannot relax. Reason 2. You drink coffee at 3 p.m. Caffeine stays in your body for 10-12 hours. When you try to sleep, caffeine is still there. It keeps your brain active. You cannot sleep deep. Reason 3. You drink alcohol at night. Alcohol makes you fall asleep fast, but it breaks your sleep. You sleep 2 hours. Then you wake up and cannot sleep again. Reason 4. You eat sugar after 6 p.m. Sugar makes your blood sugar go up. Your body has to work hard to fix this. You wake up hot and sweaty at 3 a.m. Reason 5. You use your phone before bed. Blue light from your phone tells your brain it is daytime. Your brain does not make melatonin. Melatonin is the sleep hormone. No melatonin equals no sleep. Reason 6. Your muscles are tight. If your muscles are always tight, your nervous system stays active. Tight hips, tight chest, tight neck, these send danger signals to your brain. Your brain says something is wrong. Wake up. You wake up. Reason 7. Your gut is dead. Your stomach bacteria make calm chemicals for your brain. If your gut bacteria are dead, your brain has no calm chemicals. Your brain stays active all night. All of these things together break your sleep. But the good news? One simple thing fixes all of this. The solution, glycine. There is one amino acid. Small thing. Very cheap. Very simple. It is called glycine. Your body makes glycine, but most people do not have enough. When you take 3 grams of glycine before bed, something amazing happens. Glycine tells your nervous system, calm down, relax, sleep now. How? Glycine activates special receptors in your brain and spine. These receptors send a message. This body is safe. You can relax now. Your amygdala, the fear part, stops firing. Your stress hormone cortisol goes down. Your nervous system switches from alert mode to sleep mode. Your muscles relax. Your breathing slows. Your heart rate slows. Your brain makes melatonin. And then you sleep. Deep sleep. Real sleep. 8 hours straight. Scientists tested this. They took people who wake up 8, 9, 10 times every night. They gave them 3 grams of glycine. After 4 weeks, they slept 7 to 8 hours straight, no waking up, brain fog gone. Energy came back, memory worked good again, blood pressure went down, they felt happy. This is real. This is science. This works. But here is the problem. If you take only glycine, sometimes it does not work as good as you want. You need to add other things. Add taurine. 1 gram of taurine. This stops your brain from thinking too much at night. Stops racing thoughts. Makes your sleep deeper. ADD magnesium. 200 milligrams of magnesium glycinate. This relaxes all your tight muscles. Your body stops sending danger signals. You relax completely. Together, glycine plus taurine plus magnesium, this is very powerful. Your sleep will change in 2 to 3 weeks. How to take? Take 3 grams glycine in pills with tiny sip of water. Do not drink much water. 60 minutes before bed, add 1 gram taurine with it. Add 200 milligrams magnesium, that is it. Very simple. Exercise for sleep. One more thing. You must do exercises. If your pelvic floor muscles are weak, your nervous system stays active. You keep waking up. Exercise 1. Kegels tighten your pelvic floor muscles. The same muscles you use to stop urination. Hold tight for 5 seconds. Relax for 5 seconds. Do this 20 times throughout the day. Very simple. You can do at work, at home, anywhere. Exercise 2. Hip bridges. Lie on your back. Feet flat on ground. Push your hips up. Hold 2 seconds. Lower down. Do 20 times. Do this 2 times every day, morning and evening. Exercise 3. Squats. Do 100 bodyweight squats every day. If you are not fit, do 50. Just body weight, no weights. These exercises make your body strong. Your muscles relax. Your nervous system gets calm. Your sleep gets better. Do these exercises for 3 to 4 weeks. Your sleep will improve very much. One woman came to me. She woke up 12 times every night. Every night. She did these exercises and took glycine for 3 weeks. Now she sleeps 8 hours straight. Her energy came back. She feels young again. Foods that stop sleep. Many foods destroy your sleep. You must avoid these. Coffee after 10 a.m. Caffeine stays in your body 10 to 12 hours. If you drink coffee at 3 p.m., it is still in you at midnight, 2 a.m., 4 a.m. Your brain cannot sleep. Only drink coffee in the morning. Before 10 a.m. only. Wine or beer at dinner. Alcohol makes you fall asleep fast, but it destroys your sleep quality. You sleep 2 hours, then wake up and cannot sleep again. Only drink alcohol at lunch, not at dinner. Or do not drink at all. Sugar and candy after 6 p.m. Sugar makes your blood sugar go very high. Your body works hard to fix this. You wake up hot and sweaty at 3 a.m. No desserts. No candy. No sweet food after 6 p.m. Dinner too late. If you eat at 8 p.m. and go to bed at 9 p.m., your stomach is still working. Your nervous system is active. You cannot sleep deep. Eat dinner at 6 p.m. Go to bed at 10 p.m. 4 hours between eating and sleeping. Blue light before bed. Your phone, TV, computer make blue light. Blue light tells your brain it is daytime. Your brain does not make melatonin. You cannot sleep. Turn off all screens 90 minutes before bed. No phone, no TV, no computer. Only books or conversation. Avoid these things. Your sleep will get much better. Your sleep routine. Here is your exact routine. Do this every day. Your sleep will change in 3 to 4 weeks. Morning, very important. Wake up at the same time every day, even weekends. Get 15 minutes of sun on your face. Open your eyes to sunlight. Drink 500 milliliters water with small pinch of sea salt. This tells your brain it is daytime now. Your body knows when to sleep at night daytime. Drink coffee only before 10 a.m. Only. Eat good food. Meat, fish, vegetables, rice, fruit, no sugar, no junk food. Do 100 squats or 50 if tired. Do 20 hip bridges, do 20 kegels throughout day, walk 10 to 15 minutes, easy walk. No blue light. No screens if possible. Evening, 4 hours before bed. Stop eating at 6 p.m., eat your dinner with good carbs and meat. No more eating after this, no coffee. No tea, no energy drinks. 2 to 3 hours before bed. Stop drinking water. All water. All drinks. Make sure you go to bathroom, relax. Do easy things. 1 hour before bed. Take glycine 3 grams in pills with tiny sip water. Take taurine 1 gram. Take magnesium glycinate 200 milligrams. Turn off all lights. Make room dark. Turn off phone. Keep far away. Sit quietly. Breathe slow. Breathing exercise. Breathe in 4 seconds. Hold 7 seconds. Breathe out 8 seconds. Do this 5 minutes. Relax all muscles in your body. Start head, go to toes. Get in bed after 3-4 weeks. You will sleep 8 hours straight, no waking up. You feel rested, your energy comes back. Your brain works good, you feel young again. Write down how many times you wake up each night. Keep notes. Every morning write down. How many times? How tired am I? 1 to 10. In 4 weeks, you will see big change. Important things to know. If you take medicine for blood pressure, for heart, for diabetes, or for brain, talk to your doctor first. Tell your doctor you want to take glycine. They will say yes or no. If you are pregnant or have a baby and breastfeeding, talk to your doctor. Do not take new supplements without asking. If you have kidney disease, talk to doctor first. For everyone else, start this tonight. Do the routine. Track your sleep. In 4 weeks, your sleep will change. But be patient. Give it 3 to 4 weeks. Do not stop after 1 week. Your body needs time to repair. After 4 weeks, your sleep will be good. Your energy will come back. You will feel young and alive. This is real. The science works. This is simple. Very easy. Your body needs good sleep. Real sleep. Deep sleep, 8 hours, without waking up. This routine works. Start tonight, follow it, track your progress. In a few weeks, you will sleep like a baby again. You will wake up rested, happy, healthy. Thank you for watching. I wish you great health, great wealth, and great happiness. Good night. Sleep well.